Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with some happy mail. This special mail comes from Gina from Gina Loves to Craft. So thank you so much. If you're not familiar with Gina's channel, you have to check it out. She has the most wonderful crafty hauls. I love her craft room tours because she is the queen of organization. I told her that if she was in my area, I'd have her come over and organize my little craft room. And I also love her project shares. Now and then she'll do that, but she is so sweet to share some fun goodies here with me. So let's open it up and see. And real quickly, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone, all my wonderful crafty friends that messaged me. Last Friday was my birthday, and I got wonderful messages from BB's Closet Creations. Thank you so much. I love your voice. She sang a little birthday song for me. I got some private messages as well from all my other crafty friends and subbies like Susan, Love Lovekins, and Misty, Mystical Misty. So thank you so much, guys, and all my other wonderful friends and family. So let's get in and see what Gina has sent me. I see a card, so I'm gonna read this first. Look at that adorable little cake with a birthday candle. I'm gonna open it. How cute is this? It says birthday girl. Oh, I love this, Gina. I love the very chic little style here with our champagne, some beautiful shoes in a shopping bag, and some cake and balloons. Let me read this real quick. Thank you so much, Gina. You are so sweet for thinking of me. So let me pull out the first item here. Oh, hold on. She has shared, I believe these are little organizational containers for your dies, which I actually need. I don't have any of these, so I love that. She's also included, oh how fun is this? Look at this, guys. Art Impressions, Unmounted Repositional. And it is a cute little fish bait tackle. Oh, this is perfect. I'm going to actually use this to make a card for my brother-in-law. He loves fishing, so this is perfect. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then let's see what else is here. Oh my gosh, there is a lot of goodies in here. She has shared some of the color play stamp. It says 100% pure snark, guaranteed. I think my daughter will love them, my older daughter anyway. And this one says dogs have owners, cats have staff. That's cute. My Stamperia, that is true. Oh my goodness, what is this? Fairy poppets, and oh wow. So she has shared, this is what it comes with some sentiments. A cute little fairy boy. Oh, I love it. Like the way with fairy lights. Oh, thank you so much, Gina. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, she's also shared some of these fun little girl dies. I think this is a ballerina. Yeah, it is. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me just see. I can't really see it in here. Oh my gosh, there's more, guys. She's also included a little heart craft die. Oh my goodness, and we have circle spinners. How cool is that? Wow, thank you so much, Gina. This is really adorable. And look at that with her tutu and her dress. Oh, how cool. She's also included a recipe stamp. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, I don't have one and I am excited to play with that. Gina, there is more. Oh my gosh, this one is a travel one. And look how she packaged it with this adorable topper. It looks like a stamp, and then we have all these beautiful stamps. World Traveler, Unforgettable Memories, Vacation, and What I Remember Most. How sweet. Let's see. Oh my goodness, she has shared so much. Alina Crafts, and it is a swap one. This is so cool. That is so sweet of you. It says Swap Diva Surprise Inside Special Delivery. Isn't that perfect for Happy Mail? That is so amazing. It also has different stamps for different icons. YouTube. I can use it for my planning. Instagram, Facebook, and more. Wow. Oh my gosh, Gina, what is this? You have shared, wow, that is a lot of different dies. So I'm going to take them out so we can see what they are. Hold on, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of dies. Here is the first one. Look at that beauty. That is so nice. Oh my gosh. There's another one. And this one would make a great little tab die. You see the, look at this one here. I'm just going to put that there. Beautiful. Almost has like an Art Deco floral feel to it. And this is interesting. This next one is a rectangle, but then there is an indentation here. So I think that'll be a great looking die. There is more, guys. I see butterflies. Wouldn't this be perfect for a corner tuck little pocket? Some larger floral ones here. Oh my goodness. Gina, thank you so much. And we have a butterfly. And what else do we have here? Looks like a heart vine. Look at that. So pretty. Oh wow. And here's another one. And the final one here is, it looks like a butterfly with a heart right there. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. There is more. Oh my gosh. She's also shared some Bo Bunny. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. It has so many different icons. Oh, love it, love it. Travel, birthdays, everything. That is so sweet. And then on the flip side, it looks like there are more of these, and these are great for planning. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. You are so sweet. And she's also included, what is this? Tim Holtz Bigs, and oh wow, look. This is the textures that you will get when you cut it with this die. And you know, with junk journaling, these come really handy too, because you want to add texture and use different papers. It's showing that you could use it on a little paper house, but I can see myself using this for junk journaling. A big thank you again to Gina. Thank you so much for being so sweet and being thoughtful and sharing all these wonderful crafty goodies. I love her channel. She is so bubbly and so fun to watch. Also, if you are looking for organizational ideas on how to organize your craft supplies, you have to check out her craft room tour and updates, because she is an organizational queen. And again, I really appreciate her for always being here, supporting my channel and other channels, and always making a point to leave a comment and watch our videos. So again, Gina, thank you so much. And guys, thank you for joining me for this Happy Mail birthday unboxing from Gina's Loves to Craft. Show her some love. I'll link her channel down below. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.